Hi, in continuation to the previous videos regarding the test of divisibility, now we'll discuss some more concepts today. Okay, first we'll discuss the logic of test of divisibility rule for number 5. Okay, any number, any number, whether it's a 2-digit, 3-digit, or any bigger number given, then if the number contain 0 or 5, 0 or 5 in unit position, then that number is divisible by 5. That is the standard rule. Example, if you take 50, okay, what is the unit position number? That is 0. So this number is divisible by 5. Because 5 tens are how much? 5 tens are 50. Similar way, 55. 5 11s are 55. Okay. So this is some sample example for 2-digit number. Similar way, if you take 1,000, okay, here what is the number at unit position? That is 0. So as per the divisibility law of 5, what if unit position contains the number 0, then the number is divisible by 5, because 200 multiplied by 5 gives 1000. Similar way, 1200 also, what is the unit position value? 0. So 240 multiplied by 5, that gives the value 1200. So the simple logic is what? Irrespective of the number of digits in the number, okay, the whole number, if the number contains 0 at unit position, then the number should be divisible by 5. That is the standard rule. That is of rule number 1. Okay, and second, if the unit position digit contains number as 5, then also the number is divisible by 5. So any big number is given, okay, irrespective of the number of digits present in the number, we can directly say the number is divisible by 5 or not. Example, if you take some number, bigger number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. Simple thing is what? If some question come like this number is divisible by 5 or not? Simple thing. What is the number here? 5. Because unit position number is what? 5. So definitely this number is divisible by 5. That is the standard rule. And second way, suppose this number, the number is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 1. Is this number divisible by 5? Perfectly. Means complete number is divisible by 5 without any remainder? No. Because unit position is what? 1. What as per the rule, what? Unit position contains 0 or 5, then the number is definitely completely divisible by 5 successfully. Okay. This is standard rules we have to follow, and using this logic we will get various competitive exam questions. Okay, we'll see one simple problem. The first problem is, what is the highest 2-digit number? What is the highest 2-digit number that is divisible by 5? Okay, we know what is the highest 2-digit number, that is 99. Okay, 99. But as per the divisibility law of 5, what? When a number contains 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. But here 99. So I will tell both logics. First divide 99. 5 19 is how much? 95. So 4. So when you subtract 99 and 4, what is the answer? 95. So what is the highest 2-digit number that is divisible by 5 is 95. This you got the answer by dividing and by applying the logic. But if you want the answer directly, okay, we know 99 is the 2-digit highest number, but we want a number which is divisible by 5, and that is the highest 2-digit number which is divisible by 5. Simple logic. As per divisibility law, what are the conditions? The number should contain either 0 or 5 in the unit position. But what we want, as per the question, we want the highest number. So 95 is the highest 2-digit number. So the answer is 95. Okay. Similar way, in the exam you get the question: what is the highest 3-digit number that is divisible by 5? Same logic. Highest 3-digit number is what? 999. But we want the number should be divisible by 5. So what is the divisibility rule of 5? Okay, 995. Because the highest number is 995, which is divisible by 5 perfectly. It means the remainder is 0. Similar way, if some question comes, what is the highest 4-digit number that is divisible by 5? So we know highest 4-digit number is what? 9999. But the question is what? You want a highest 4-digit number which is divisible by 5. Here, because the unit position should be 5. Because 0, if you take 0, that is 9990. But we want the highest number, that is 9995. That is, without giving pen or paper, you will directly solve this problem. Similar way, if any such type of problems come, means any number of digits in the exam, you get the answer. The simplest method is that, suppose if someone asks the question, what is the highest 6-digit number that is perfectly divisible by 5? Simple logic is what? 99999. That is 9,99,999 is the highest 6-digit number. But the question is what? You want the highest 6-digit number which is divisible by 5. Simple, just replace this unit number position by 5. That is the answer. So this is the standard logic for the divisibility law of 5. Okay. In continuation to the previous logic, now we will discuss the divisibility law for 10. Okay. Divisibility law for 10. Okay, number 10. So here the logic is very simple. If any number contains 0 at unit position, then that number is divisible by 10. That is the standard rule. Test of divisibility law for 10 is that if any number contains 0 in the unit position, okay, 0 in the unit position of the number, then that number is perfectly divisible by 10. Sample examples: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. If you take all these numbers, these are all the 2-digit number which is having ending with 0. So if all these numbers, all our numbers are multiples of 10. Okay, 10 1 are 10 till 10 9 are 90. What these numbers contain? 0 at the unit position. 0 at the unit position. So these numbers are directly divisible by 10. Okay, even if you take any 3-digit number like 120, 130, 150, 170. Okay, here all the numbers has what? These numbers are, even though these are 3-digit number, it has 0 in the unit position. 0 in the unit position. So definitely these numbers also divisible by 10 successfully as per the divisibility law of 10. Okay, and if you take some bigger number like 1450, yeah. If you want to judge whether this number is divisible by 10, yes, because what is the unit position number? 0. So perfect. So this number is divisible by 10. Okay, and similar way 15890. This is a 5-digit number. This number also divisible by 10 or not? Yes, because the unit position number is what? 0. Okay. So this is by following this logic, means simple logic. If a number contains 0 at the unit position, then the number is definitely successfully divisible by 10. Yeah. Now we will discuss the divisibility law of 8. Okay, for the number 8. Test of divisibility logic for number 8. Okay. Here the logic is what? If in a number last 3-digit number is divisible by 8, then the number is successfully divisible by 8. That is the first rule. And if the last 3 digits of a number are 0, then that number is successfully divisible by 8. Okay. Example: if you take 1000. Okay. In 1000, what are the last 3 digits? Zeros. So this number is successfully divisible by 8. Means the remainder should be 0. We can judge this one. Okay. Just divide 1000 with 8. Okay. And if you see here, 8 1s are 8. 10 minus 8, 2. 0. 8 2s are 16. 4. 0. 8 5s are 40. 0. So this number is successfully divisible by 8. Because the logic is what? If the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8, that is, the number is divisible by 8. And if the last three digits of a number is 0, then the number is successfully divisible by 8. We'll see the one example for the logic related to first number. Okay, what is the first condition? Okay, second condition example we have seen. First condition is what? If the last three digits of a number is divisible by 8, then the number is successfully divisible by 8. So if you take simple example 5648. Okay, here 648 is the last three digits. Okay, if this is divisible by 8, then this number is totally divisible by 8. 8 8 ja 64, perfect. 0, take 8. 8 1 ja 8. So remainder 0. So this is successfully divisible by 8. So this number also divisible by 8. We'll see whether it is really divisible by 8 or not. 5 6 4 8. 8 7 ja 56, 0. Okay, 4 0 8. 8 6 ja 48. So this number is divisible by 8 perfectly. So the logic is what? Any number, if it contains n number of digits, but if the last three digits of a number is divisible by 8, then the number is successfully divisible by 8. Another condition is what? If the last three digits of a number is 0, then also the number is successfully divisible by 8. So by using these divisibility logics, okay, if you know these formulas, definitely if any bigger number of problems comes, just by simply applying the logic, we can solve this problem in less than 1 minute and in a very efficient manner. Thank you.